pretty cool. Today we're doing Perley Rock hike in Glacier National Park, and so far we already saw a warning that there is a grizzly bear with cubs in the area, and also there's another warning over there that there may be unexploded shells used for avalanche control. So it's going to be a fun hike. It's a short one, 5.5 kilometers, but really steep, around 1200 meters of elevation gain. So it's probably going to kill us, but there is a glacier at the top, and you can go really close to it. You can even get on top of it. So that's why we're going there. So we are almost 2 kilometers into the hike, and good news is that so far it's been relatively easy. Bad news is that it means that pretty much all of the elevation gain is still ahead of us, over even shorter distance now, so that's not going to be much fun. We got out of the forest and the views are quite spectacular here. There are waterfalls, streams, mountains, everything. There's supposed to be a lot of bears in this area. Cannot see any. To be honest, we would probably prefer to keep it this way. We are now on the steepest part of the trail, and it is pretty brutal. The last 500 vertical meters is over a pretty short distance, so it is really steep. If you've done it before, it's kind of like Stavan's Chief or Grouse Grind, maybe even a little bit steeper. That's where we're going, that gap between the mountains. That will be our final scramble up to the glacier. Yeah, this part is a little bit sketchy. It's literally just a couple of steps. We found the glacier. It's pretty awesome. So what do I think about Perley Rock? Well, I definitely recommend it. It's quite a hard hike, but the views higher up are pretty spectacular. The lake and the glacier are really amazing, and it's quite a unique experience to be able to literally walk on the glacier, look into the ice caves, and jump in the lake literally right at the edge of the glacier. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Really cool experience.